Do you want to move to Ireland for work but not sure where to start? Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the General Employment Permit, one of the most popular ways to legally work in Ireland. We'll cover who can apply, job types, salary requirements, the application process, how long it takes, and even how you can bring your family. And the best part? You can do this without paying any agent fees. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share tips to boost your chances of approval that many people don't know about. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. So, let's start with the basics. The General Employment Permit, often called the GEP, is Ireland's work visa that allows non-EU nationals to live and work in the country. It's designed for jobs that aren't on the critical skills list, but are also not banned under the ineligible jobs list. Think of it as a middle ground permit. If you don't qualify for the critical skills route, this is the door that can still get you in. And unlike student visas or short-term contracts, this permit sets you up for a long-term stay in Ireland. To qualify, you need a job offer from an employer legally registered and trading in Ireland. Your job must not be on the ineligible list. You must meet the salary threshold, generally €34,000 per year, or €30,000 for certain roles like healthcare assistants, home carers, meat processing, and horticulture. And here's the tricky part: your employer usually needs to complete a labor market needs test. This means they must advertise the job in Ireland and the EU for at least 28 days to show that no local or EU citizen was available. But don't worry. Many employers who already sponsor international workers are familiar with this requirement. Now you might be wondering, what kind of jobs are usually available under the GEP? Well, Ireland has shortages in several areas. Some common roles include healthcare assistants and carers, especially with the rising demand for elderly care. Hospitality workers like chefs and catering staff. Construction and trade roles where skills are in short supply. And other support roles across agriculture, manufacturing, and logistics. Basically, if your role isn't on the critical skills list but also isn't banned, chances are it could qualify for the GEP. Let's break down the application process, step by step. 1. Job offer. You need a contract or official job offer first. 2. Employer or employee applies. Either you or your employer can submit the application online through Ireland's Employment Permits Online System, EPOS. 3. Documents required. You'll need your passport, job contract, employer details, and proof that the salary and role meet requirements. 4. Application fee. It's €1,000 for permits up to 2 years. If your application is refused, you get 90% of that refunded. 5. Processing time. Applications should be made at least 12 weeks before the job start date. And here's something important. Once you start your application on the online portal, you have 28 days to complete it, or it will be deleted. Duration, renewal and path to residency. The General Employment Permit is usually issued for up to 2 years at first. You can then renew it for another 3 years. That gives you a total of 5 years on the GEP. After you've been working in Ireland for 57 months, you can apply for a Stamp 4 visa. This gives you the right to live and work in Ireland without any employment permit at all. Basically, you become free from sponsorship. And what about your family? With the GEP, you can apply to bring your spouse and children. After 1 year, your spouse or partner can get a Stamp 1G, which allows them to work in Ireland without needing a separate permit. This makes it an attractive option for families looking to relocate together. Tips to increase success. Before we wrap up, let me share some tips that can really help your application. Target employers who have a history of sponsoring foreign workers. You'll find many of them on Ireland's official job portals. Make sure your CV is tailored to Irish standards, short, skills-focused, and easy to scan. Keep an eye on the ineligible job list, because if your job is listed there, you won't qualify no matter what. Apply early, since processing times can be long. And remember, you don't need to pay an agent. The process may look complicated, but the official system is designed for you to apply yourself. The General Employment Permit might look like a lot of steps on paper, but it's actually a clear pathway to working and living in Ireland if you prepare properly. Thousands of people have already used this route to start fresh careers, and the same opportunity is open to you in 2025. Remember, you don't need to pay agents, everything can be done online through the official portal. What matters most is finding the right employer, meeting the salary requirement, and submitting a complete application. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. And remember to comment where you're watching from, especially if this is your first time here. I would love to personally welcome you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Ireland journey.